There are 3,600 AM dial videos shared by 73 YouTube channels. Okay. And if you look on the front page of that search, it usually has the all newer videos. Okay. I know. That's why you have but before I know that EIM daily. Before I see the t-shirt, but I don't know where. I think the t-shirt, your logo, I see that. If a person like yourself use the AM Dela least 2 or 3 times per week, your video will show on the first page of a Google or Safari search. Okay. Okay. I know, my friend. That's why, no, my friend, that's why. Thank you, my friend. I think we're all done because my phone got, hello, percent. 8% my battery phone. My friend. Thank you so much for supporting my channels, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you. I think it's done to my live streaming today because my battery of phone is 7%. 7%, my friend. Thank you so much for supporting my channels, my friend. Thank you. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much, my friend. And I will end my stream right now. People in the general public search that hashtag multiple times on a daily basis. That's why Google makes it go to the front of any search. It's that way on any search engine. Okay. Hashtag EAM Daily. Also, try searching my hashtag on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Okay. I search your hashtags on that platform. Okay? My friend, thank you so much. This is the end of my stream right now because my battery phone is 6%. Thank you so much, my friend, for joining my stream. Hopefully you enjoy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting. See you on my next stream, my friend. See you on my next stream. Have a good day, my friend. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much for making a small short videos right now. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. My phone is got 5%. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. Thank you so much to Team Ohana. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. See you on my next stream.